Good morning, it's Jenny Yates coming at you from Lake Lanier in Martinsville, Virginia. Check out this gorgeous location. So fog is slowly rising up. Sun is out. It's an amazing fall morning. I'm going to be here. I feel like the luckiest therapist in the world for the next 3 hours for my nature therapy sessions. Gorgeous trees. I mean, it just doesn't get much better than this, right? So let's take a nice cleansing breath in. Good. Noticing our strong beating hearts. Let's notice one thing, just one tiny thing we can feel gratitude for. Breathing in and releasing. Okay, have a beautiful day. Bye. Or should I say hugs and kisses? Bye.